should have saved the Magnum for him. Don't know, I think that it's Ringo Vision. But it's not Ringo Vision. If you get what I mean. It's M. Dot, but it's Ringo Vision. Oi, oi. Listen, we're in Sweden, people. We're with JLC.
Yeah, in Gothenburg.
Look, these guys are listen, right? These are the top tiers out here. We didn't even know until they pulled up in a limo and a red carpet. We was unsure what was going on, but now we know. We know the assignment. You understand? Now listen, big up yourself, my bro. He posted a video of he basically was like 1 week in Jamaica and in my song, and it's just gone crazy viral. These have had the inspiration to bring me to Sweden to do a remix, which I think is fucking legendary. Sorry for my language, but it's legendary.
It's legendary. Actually, from 2020, I reposted a video of you on my Instagram because people were bombing my DM.
Look,
like, this is your brother.
You can see, oh my God, Sweden. Oh my God, they can't believe it.
No.
So it's a big link up. Yeah, M.R. JLC.
Yeah.
Yes, because we didn't even know they're the biggest YouTubers in Sweden. And if you say anything else, yeah,
you're a big bomber club.
Ringo!
Yes, people, big up yourself. You don't know what I go on. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Something different today, you know, people, yeah. I'm here with M. That brought me over here to Sweden with him to come and link up JLC. Alright, so he does YouTubing, people, yeah. And as M. just said, we're doing the thing today, people, yeah. Big Bomber Clark.
Remix. Swedish remix. That is it.
Alright, everyone, so what's happening today? We're recording.
Yeah, I'm not and Carl gonna do a remix of Pussy Turn Red.
Yeah,
it's gonna explode.
The song is about a red pussy.
Yeah.
That stinks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stinky pussy.
It's a stinky pussy.
You wanna tell my viewers who you are?
Yeah, I'm the cameraman of JLC. And today we're gonna make a dope music video with M. Dot, and it's gonna be amazing.
Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Big bomber club, girl.
You're right.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're doing right now, everybody, yeah, we're just doing the lyrical content for JLC. So we're gonna be recording a brand new track, people, yeah.
I need to learn the lyrics.
Yeah. We're doing a raw patois lesson right now.
Big bomber girl club. Yeah. Big bomber club girl, fucking in my bed.
That is it.
Big bomber club girl, fucking in my bed. In my bed. I need to.
In my bed. In my bed.
In my bed.
Yeah. So like
big bomber club girl, fucking in my bed.
Right.
Fucking in my bed.
But with some with emphasis.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna.
Big bomber club. Yeah. Harder.
Yeah.
Okay. Big bomber club.
Big bomber club girl.
Fucking in my.
In my bed.
In my bed.
In my bed.
Okay. In my bed.
That when you say you're creating the lyrical content right now,
Well,
yeah?
me and you build the lyrics outside when we have one with Bob Marley. So me and Ringo come up with the wine on the floor, wine on the bed. So me just put the wine on the dresser, wine on your head. We work together, you know?
A good vibes.
Big bomber clad girl, fucking in my bed.
So we've also got the Men in Black here as well.
Yes, if someone wants to fight with the big celebrities, we are here to protect them.
Yeah.
That's
and
our
also,
jobs.
we are also the managers.
Yes.
We own the studio as well.
Yeah, 25% of everything he owns, I own. Like 25% of his kids, it's mine.
You hear that, people?
Yeah. Stinky pussy.
Big people.
So everybody, so we're working with the engineer today, Eunice.
Nice to meet you guys.
Good vibes.
Yeah. Take
We should have saved the Magnum for him. We should have saved the Magnum.
De hade med sig någon dryck.
Vibes in the studio, people. Yeah, go on, big up yourself. You don't know what go on. Yeah, man, something different today, people. Yeah, man, we are creating the lyrics for. You understand the tune? Turn Red. Yeah, man.
Fucking on my bed.
Fucking on my bed.
Yeah. See, when you put that stop there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That
Big bomber clad gal fucking on my bed.
That is it.
That is it.
Fuck pussy.
So what?
Pussy turn red.
So what I want? It's like a one take, man. A one take.
Okay, we'll see.
No, do you know what? I've got to
to
give you your props, bro. As a Swedish man, listen, don't think it took me a long time to be able to talk in patois, and I've spent years in Jamaica doing this. So for him to get it just like that.
Alright, go on again.
Go on again.
Okay, I'll try again. Big bomber clad girl fucking on me bed. Wine pon the floor, wine pon the bed. Wine pon the dresser, wine pon your head. When me fuck pussy, pussy turn red.
Alright. So now we need the
Alright.
the vibes to go with it.
I think what we should do.
Big bomber clad girl fucking on me bed. Wine pon the floor, wine pon the bed.
bed.
Wine pon the dresser, wine pon your head. When me fuck pussy, pussy turn red.
That is it.
Man.
Fully active. So I think what you should do is record it, and then what you can do is once you've recorded it, keep it there. Let me talk to the engineer. So what I think you should do.
All right, people. So you see what I go on in the studio. We're kind of getting it.
I see the money rolling in now. 25% of everything he does is ours.
So
This is gold.
Yeah.
It sounds good.
Yeah.
leave it
Yeah.
there.
But I think he needs more energy, like M. Dot.
More
he needs to be.
more emphasis.
Yeah.
That's the right word.
And leave the second
Yeah,
one there.
yeah, okay, I understand. Yeah. So like the first one and then just
Like a layout.
Level
Just so
up,
you've
yeah.
got it.
Yeah,
you've got
yeah,
the words.
yeah.
All right. So what's happening now?
yeah.
We're kind of getting somewhere.
Big bomber clad girl fucking on me
Hear
bed.
that, hear
Wipe
that.
on the floor, wipe on the bed.
Yeah.
Wipe on the dresser, wipe on your head. When me fuck pussy, pussy turn red.
That is it.
All right. So look,
I need to try.
he's got it. He's got it. Remember, man.
We're gonna finish the rest.
Him that you have, you know.
Quick
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. man.
Där var du.
Det är tyst nu.
Yeah, he comes in after that.
All right. So first take in the studio, people. So all right, artists in the booth. Good vibes. What you mean? We've got management here on deck making sure that everything's delivered right.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think he's doing they're doing okay. Not good at it, right? Yes, everybody.
Big bomber clad girl fucking on me bed. Wine pon the floor, wine pon the bed. Wine pon the dresser, wine pon your head. When me fuck pussy, pussy turn red.
Yo.
Abby to them, man. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. He's got it. He's got it. Everything is all right.
That was good, wasn't it?
Was it good?
That was
Yeah,
good.
good.
Management.
Yeah, it was 8 out of 10. We have to go for a 10 out of 10.
All right, management.
Yeah, but it was good.
Yeah.
I think now go for the deepness.
Yes, people. Behind the scenes, we're in the
Okay,
studio.
more deep,
The making.
Big bomber clad girl fucking on me bed. Wine pon the floor, wine pon the bed. Wine pon the dresser, wine pon your head. When me fuck pussy, pussy turn red.
Mad.
Yeah, more
Mad.
deep.
Mad.
You can all share in here or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so what's happening right now? He's more or less got it on point. He's just dealing with the deliverance.
Okay, I'm gonna try it with some more energy.
Look. So basically, we're locking out the sound from out there. Emdo, how is it going? Come like you can catch it first time, not true? What you say? I feel the one there, yeah?
What?
You feeling that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Good vibes.
Feels good, feels good. Det var bra. Ja, det var bättre. Was better energy. That's a great video. On TikTok.
So how you feel about the track? How do you feel about the track?
I love the track.
Yeah?
I love the track, yeah.
Yeah,
Feels amazing.
I feel like you catch it more or less instantly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just try to
He's heard the song a million times.
Yeah.
So far.
Hold on. Look on the man. Man come
Business
in and-
time.
Professor, come out, you know?
Yeah.
All right.
Lyrics time.
Professor
Yeah.
Bombakla. Yeah. But I've been listening to the song the whole week in the car and everything,
That's
just to get the energy.
Naturally, he knows the flow. You know. All right, where's your phone? Let's write down the rest of these lyrics.
It's great. It's great.
Wagwan people, big up yourself. This is for all of you guys. Wait on it. YouTube, you have been so amazing. Don't stop what you have been doing. You guys have been so amazing. And if you love that one, yeah, you know what to do. Hit the button, leave a word, R2, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, we're in the studio, people. Big up yourself. Ringo Vision. I mean, man, I have to touch the instrument, them, you know. If you come in at the place and at the environment, you know, people. Yeah, in Sweden, told you that we was going somewhere, people, yeah. So, I'm going to be trying to cook over here as well. We're not just doing musical work, but food I go on to. But I also wanted to give you guys something different for the channel. We're behind the scenes recording Turn Red, the track that M. Dot recorded that's gone viral. A Swedish YouTuber has picked up the song over here, and he's put it out and done some stuff with it. It's gone viral. He's contacted M. Dot and he decided to do a link up. I've come along on the journey to do the Jamaican translation for the lyrical contents. Everybody, so good vibes. Yeah, man. So the artist there as well. Yeah, man. He's been doing good
Need
vibes.
something to drink.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Good vibes. Okay. So you say right now, M.
So I want to know how much syllables gymnastics has in Swedish, and if you can fit in to say gymnastic in Swedish.
And it will sound right.
Will it sound right? Because remember, different languages, different
Tones.
different syllables in it.
Yeah.
So in Swedish, if you was to say gymnastics, how many syllables? How many syllables? Say it.
Gymnastik.
Gymnastic.
Almost the same.
Yeah.
Gymnastik.
Yeah. Good
Gymnastic.
vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah, good vibes.
Good vibes, man.
Gymnastik. Ja. Gymnastics.
So what we do now? Are we changing the
Yeah, we changed the mic because it was a bit too gainy on this one.
gainy?
Yeah, like it sounded
like a
cool,
scream.
but it sounded very like a lot distortion kind of.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Gonna try the same lyrics, but in that mic instead.
Okay.
Another mic.
Good vibes. So basically, we're just working for perfection.
Yeah,
Literally.
we need that.
Yeah.
A bit cleaner sound.
Yeah.
Wine on the floor. Wine on the dresser. When we fuck pussy.
Yes, everybody. So we're in the studio, as you can see. Like, yeah. There's a drum set. I'm not too familiar with. I think you'd have to. Okay. You have to put your foot on it, on the pad. You understand? Now I got to touch. But yeah, we're inside of the studio. There's loads of different types of piano, as you can see. Yeah, man. But big up yourself, everybody that's on the channel. That's subscribed, locked in. We're in Sweden right now. Good vibes. Yeah, man. Show you outside. Season 9, everybody. Remember I tell you that we're in season 9. So good vibes. Remember that we're in season 9 as well, yeah? Yeah, man.
Jag bara så Big Bomb klädd girl fucking on my bed. Wine on the floor.
We are online there, Inga.
Look who you lyrics.
Alright, Mr. Pussy Turn Red. Swedish man says she want the lead. Skin out your pussy. Gymnastic. Now the pussy dead. So we did a one line that rhymes with. Say, hey, Mr. Pussy Turn Red.
Swedish man says you want the lead. Skin out your pussy.
So you can't stop there.
No, okay. Skin out your pussy, take
fucking give me head.
Okay. Skin out your pussy, take a fucking give me a head. Skin out your pussy, take fucking give me a head.
That is
Gymnastic. It. No, the pussy dead.
That is it.
Okay.
Good vibes.
Mr. Pussy turn red. Swedish man says you want the lead. Skin out your pussy, take fucking give me a head.
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be hard.
It sounds good.
Good vibes.
But I need to try the. I need to put the lyrics also with the new mic before. Yeah. Big bomba clad. I'm gonna try the. Big bomba clad.
You wanna have more feeling?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's pretty stinky.
Yep.
Is it like
Do you have
this?
feeling?
I have the
Big
feeling.
bomba clad. Good vibes. Because I need to
Good
do
vibes?
the first one.
Good
Good
vibes.
vibes.
Good vibes.
Good vibes only.
Management, so good vibes.
Yeah,
Management.
Yeah.
it's good vibes. 25%.
Of
Wipe on
everything.
the floor. Wipe on the
That's our good
floor.
vibes.
Lead. Pussy. Head. Now the pussy dead. Ja, det kändes bättre. Ja, jag kommer in. Okay, let's listen. Goes fast. Goes really fast.
No, you did.
Okay.
You did. But we can listen to it. Anyway.
Yeah,
we can have a listen to it.
What you can do with the voice.
So I'm gonna jump in and do something. Well, let's.
Says you want the lead. Skin out your pussy leg, fucking give me head. Gymnastic. Now the pussy dead.
Yeah, man.
Oh, people. Yeah, man, the studio session has been real good. We're almost at a completion. Big up yourself. You don't know what I want. Yeah, man, we're over in Sweden. The producers is going on the bag of things. Come on. Oi. What you say?
Yeah, I know.
Everything red?
Everything up and bright.
Oi.
I'm gonna be honest with you. The tiredness is catching up with me. Yo, 2 o'clock in the morning, man, left man's yard in the window.
True.
Remember that? Man ain't slept.
True.
And I truly say the man them have gone out their way
Yeah.
to make this so special and nice. I don't want to get tired because we've now got to go straight and do the music video in the Ringo.
Bumba.
So I know we are upon the channel here. I don't know if you're cut now and make them wait for the music video, or if you're gonna give them the music video in the same episode.
Nah, man, we're right, man.
Well, I don't know what you're gonna do, people, but all I know is it's been a wicked vibe so far. We've reached to Sweden. Like so a little bit of story about what's going on. So basically, I had a song called Turn Red. It was a freestyle. It went viral, crazy viral. So I recorded the song, put it out. It's just going crazy, going viral. This guy Carl, he's reposted. He's done like a video saying 1 week in Jamaica. And then the video comes on, it's got nearly 4 million views, right? And there's only 10 million people in Sweden. So they got a whole YouTube channel together, so make sure you go check them out. So they got a whole YouTube channel, so like, guys were like, we need to get him out here, we're gonna do a remix and just have fun with it, do you know what I mean? So they've literally pulled up in a big limousine, stretch limo with red carpet. And it's just, yeah, we're at like this prestige, looking like Elton John's studio. And it's crazy, yeah, man. So it's been a good vibes. The man, they're really cool, proper cool people. We're definitely gonna have a good vibes and a lot of laughter. You see me? So people, again, I don't know if he's gonna lock it off after this and you're gonna have to wait for the music video. I don't know if you're gonna get it in the same one. I don't know, but we're active.
So right now, people like we're almost at a completion with the music.
Gothenburg!
With the music side of things.
That's a wrap.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, you done good.
I've been nervous.
You was nervous.
Yeah.
You never showed.
Hyped and nervous.
You never showed a sign of it.
Yeah?
Nah.
That's good. I've been nervous.
Oh, no, fully active. Hey, it's a wrap. Well done, my brother, man. Big up yourself. That's the Zipper G. Fully active. We done it, people, man. Remix Turn Red.
Yeah.
Big up the lads. Respect, man.
The remix is done.
man.
The remix is done. Now it's a fun time.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna shoot the music video.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna get active. Yeah, man. This is the hard part. He looked like he was gonna bust a little sweat there. But nah, wicked man. Yo, I can't believe you caught that. But honestly, like all jokes aside and all like I know this is fun and it's funny and it's stuff, but he's done really, really well. Ringo!
Thank you.
Oh,
We have a John Mia can write this up. Make him that. What you say?
I'm operating.
He's operating. But you are gone. Tell him say if you how he done well as a Jamaican.
No man, a bad boy sitting you there, man. Bad boy thing.
Is it,
boy.
when man say a bad boy sitting you there, pan,
Yeah.
it means you're a bad boy thing you deal with. Him a general in a this.
Yeah, man, a good
Him a
vibe.
God in a earth.
Yeah.
You see me? When we say earth, we mean earth. We mean the world. We mean God in a earth. You understand? Fully active, my father. When we say fully.
Yes, everybody. So thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode.
Yeah.
It's been really good. Yeah, man. Big up security and management.
Yep.
You guys have been very welcoming and good hospitality. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's
our pleasure. Our duty to make everyone safe here.
As a manager.
Yeah.
Ringo, take one picture first. It's like
A good vibes, everybody.
it's a natural one. We don't want we don't know that you're taking a picture. We're just working.
Them just want a picture for take.
So the people that know we're working, they're like, right.
Good vibes.
Me say pussy turn red. Swedish man says she wants
See the people, the track completed. Big up yourself.
You don't understand. Listen, you got to understand something. The reason.
Yeah, man, a good vibes, people. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Yes, people, yeah. So what they're going to be doing now, they're going to be shooting a music video for that track that was just recorded. And a good vibes. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you guys appreciated this episode. We're in Sweden. So yeah, there's a lot more things to come out in Sweden, people, yeah. A good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Big up yourself, people, yeah. Stay tuned because there's so much more things to come from Sweden. This is just one thing. We're in the studio. I've got loads more things to give to you guys as well, yeah. Yeah, man. And don't forget to just run through the channel them and check out everything that's on the channel. Big up you guys that's been watching. And just big up you guys if you're in Sweden watching this as well. And if you're all over the world, enough love, enough respect. 24-hour kitchen, we're there. Good vibes.
Wine on your head. When we fuck pussy, pussy turn red. Me say pussy turn red. Swedish man says she wants the lead. Skin out your pussy, take fucking give me head. Gymnastics, now the pussy dead.
That's why.
Yeah, Emdot, so how's the session today?
That session was good, man.
Good session. Yeah, that's clear.
What's it all right there?
Yo, think na man, you know better. Hold on there.
I don't remember the thing, you know. Said a different thing this year. Like,
Sitting out that way, we're paying you no better.
I want to make them know something. Yo, I want to make it, it's different price. Yeah? You see anything ever before, today's price is a different price. Alright, you'll see.
Yo, the man them now bumbo clock joke to them, man. A good vibes. A pure good vibes out of you to them, man. Good vibes. Emla, even Emla glad to see it.